Welcome. In this segment, we will show you how to attach the transport handlebar catch, hitch tubes, and lift tube. First, remove the bolts and nylock nuts found at the right front corner of the platform assembly, Part A. Then take the transport handlebar catch, Part F, and align it to the holes you just removed the bolts from. Using the hardware you just removed, attach the transport handlebar catch and fully tighten the bolts. Next, take the hitch tubes, Part N, and align them to the third hole from the front of the platform assembly, making sure the bent ends are facing inward, as shown. Secure the tubes by inserting a bolt, Part Z, through each tube and into the platform, followed by a lock nut, Part EE. Leave the bolts just a little bit loose for now. Next, attach the front ends of the hitch tubes together by inserting two bolts, Part Q, down through the two tubes and securing on the bottom side with two lock nuts, Part EE. Leave these bolts a little bit loose for now as well. Next, take the transport handlebar, Part I, and align it to the lift tube assembly, Part C, and insert a bolt, Part Y, through the hole closest to the end, and into the second hole in the lift tube assembly. Then insert that bolt through the rear hole on the right side of the platform assembly, and secure it on the other end with a lock nut, Part EE. Tighten the lock nut, and then loosen it a half turn. Now, take a bolt, Part Z, and insert it through the inside of the front hole on the lift tube assembly, and then through the remaining hole in the transport handlebar. Secure it on the other end with another lock nut, Part EE. Now, take the rubber grip, Part H, and place it over the end of the transport handlebar. Next, attach the lift tube assembly on the other side of the platform by inserting a bolt, Part Y, through the rear hole on the lift tube assembly and into the platform. Secure the bolt on the inside of the platform using another lock nut, Part EE. Tighten the lock nut and then loosen it a half turn. Now you can go back and tighten all the nuts and bolts that you earlier left loose.